Here's Misty. Hi, Misty.
Hi, Susie.
Thank you for coming to my show.
Thanks for having me. Today we're going to do some pierogies with a twist.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's basically a basic cheese and potato pierogi.
Okay.
And then I've kind of zipped it up with some really great ingredients.
Something else you like, right?
Yeah.
So how we started?
Okay, first what we're going to do is the ingredients basically of bacon, mushrooms, and onions has to be fried. This is like a 3/4 pound. And then I just like cut it this way.
Okay.
Into little pieces like that.
Smaller pieces?
Yeah,
okay.
Smaller pieces. And then put it into the pan. So we'll just transfer that, just kind of separate it a little bit like that. That is kind of like the trick to it because you can't overcook it because after everything's got to get baked. So if you overcook it, then it's going to burn when you're baking it, right? So I just kind of do this.
Okay. How much would you put it in?
Maybe like another 2 slices.
2 slices?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah, and it depends how much onion you like. And
okay. So just a general chop it, right?
Yeah, and you can also do them in a vegetarian. Just skip the bacon and maybe throw in some, which I do for a friend of mine, some red peppers, you know. This is about 3, I love garlic, so. This is, about 3 heaping teaspoons. Okay. I put that in there. And the other ingredient is the black pepper. So, yeah, it's some of this. Peppers. This will make a fair size pan. So could serve 4 for sure. So I brought this that it's 3/4 of a bar of cheese. So.
And
yeah,
your wonderful husband always is there supporting you. If the cheese is done, what about a pierogi?
Okay, so the pierogies, once the water's boiling, we're gonna put those in.
Can I put it in for you?
Can
for
put
how
it
many
in,
minutes?
Until they rise. So usually it's like 5 minutes. You can use any type you want. Chimo, President's Choice, whatever you want. I've added some olive oil to the water, just so they don't stick.
What's the filling inside? Is it cheese?
Yeah, just cheese and potato, because with all this stuff, you want to keep it pretty basic. Yeah, keep an eye on them as I go. Good. Yeah, it's an interesting flavor because you got the bacon, the garlic, the mushrooms, and I want to mention too that I do use cremini mushrooms.
Cremini mushrooms
makes a big difference.
Flavor makes a difference. Not a white,
white mushroom. So the next thing we're gonna do, the pierogies have been boiled. Okay. And like I say, you boil the pierogies till they come to the top, and then they're ready. Yeah.
Okay. Take it out. Yeah. Rinse it using cold water.
Yeah. Exactly. Right? So we're gonna take. I just put a cooking spray.
You just use this one.
Yeah. This is. You can use.
Baking dish?
Yeah, an aluminum one if you want. I use the glass ones. Okay. And then you just take the pierogies.
So this is just 1 bag of pierogi.
I usually for a size dish like this, it's about 16 pierogies.
16 pieces.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Pierogies and sour cream go hand in hand. You take your cheese and you put it all over these pierogies.
Oh
and
my
again,
God,
we
it's
use
such a rich, nice.
Yeah, it's so yummy. This has to go on top of that, so that you bake it, and there's still more cooking with this. And then you just take this, spread it all over the top, like that, like so.
Oh my God! You know what? I'm going to have a piece. Watch my wire here. Onion, bacon, a little bit of pepper,
and lots of garlic.
Lots of garlic.
So we're gonna chop these.
Oh, you have to chop?
Yeah, we're gonna chop these.
Okay, I'll help you chop it.
And you use as many as you want. These are just pickled jalapenos.
I can smell.
Yeah. Just like that. Okay, so just like that, and then we're just gonna put it on this half.
Wow.
I jalapeno it up here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these in the oven.
Okay, for how many minutes?
Usually I bake them at 350.
350. Okay.
Yeah, for about 20 to 25 minutes. There we
Wow.
go. That's the finished product.
See, that's how make
Yeah,
it crispy,
yeah. So
right?
you can see how the bacon and the mushrooms have got
melted.
crispy, and the cheese is melted, and yeah.
Wow. So you see how stick
It's kind
together?
of like, yeah,
Look,
and layered.
the
yeah.
layer.
Yeah.
Did you see the layer?
Yeah, it's
So
really
that's a
nice.
cheese pierogi.
Yep.
And the mushroom bacon on the top.
Mushroom, bacon, onion, yep, on the top. And they're cheese and potato pierogi.
Cheese, so give you a little, dough,
Yeah,
cheesy
yeah.
flavor, right?
And you need the dough for the weight of all this bacon and everything. Nice flavor?
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Thank
Give me
you,
a hand.
Susie. You too.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
You're the best.